Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings as you see and we click. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page, you will search about the application of PayPal. And you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget